Привет, друзья! Сегодня будем говорить о двух глаголах. Let's speak today about two verbs. And we will see how these verbs will be changed. First one, the verb think. So, думать in Russian, думать. But думать, it's infinitive, as you know. So, думать, think. Let's I put here think. So, думать, think, думать. It's a verb to think. So, to think. So let's see. If I'm talking about myself, I'm thinking, or I think, let's say, because we are talking about present tense in Russia, in Russian language. So I think, я думаю. So infinitive will be, pay attention here, де, у, думать. Думать. It's infinitive. So, дум, never changed. So, the end of the verb will be changed. And if I'm talking about myself, я думаю. So, дум will stay, but you will be at the end. So, дума, let's say. Дума. Дума. You see, дума will stay at this verb, but and will be different. I'm talking about myself, so я думаю. So you at the end. Ты, it means you, but you as a person, like person who I know a lot of time, and you with the same age with me, or maybe you're so close person, so I can see you like ты. Do you understand? It's different because we have you also here. Мы, вы, sorry, here. Oh, it's my mistake, my God. So, you see, no one is perfect. Вы, it means also you, but we as plural, you are a group of people, or we as a person, as a president, director, or someone, neighbor, who is older than you, and you want to show that you respect them, respect him or her. So let's continue. Ты, it means you as a person who you know. Ты, or maybe you are talking with teenager. Ты. Думаешь. Ешь at the end. If you say some neighbor, but she's 70 years old, and you can say ты думаешь, she can say, who is this guy? Who showed you this grammar, Russian grammar? Shame on you. So you have to know that ты думаешь, you could say to someone who you know and who is your friend or colleague or someone like that. Думаешь. Next one, on, it means he, она, she, оно, awful, оно, it, оно, it, она, she, and on, he. But all these three words connecting to думает. Why? It means you should say он думает, he thinks. Like in English we just put s at the end, right? Она думает. Он, оно, она. So it, she, he. The same. In Russia we put here yet, думает. Она думает. She thinks. Он думает. She thinks. And оно думает. Maybe оно. Maybe оно. It thinks. So in Russian you can say думает. Okay? And I can put here that line. I have to buy a new one. It's like not working already. Like that. So you can see here it's the end of all these verbs. So it means я, ты, он, она, оно. So I, you, he, she, it. When these words stuck with a verb will have this end. У, you, ешь, ед. Just you should memorize it. Like думаю. You see you. Думаешь, ешь. Думает, ед. But do you see here like u here, but we didn't find u here. It means some verbs will be here, you change to u. Here will be different. Do you understand? So думаю, думаешь, думает. Я думаю, ты думаешь. Он думает, она думает, оно думает. Next we are talking about они, their, вы, plural, or remember, we are talking to someone who you want to show respect. And мы, we. So, они, they are. You can say они думают. Они думают about you, that you are a good person. For example, like that. Они думают о тебе. О тебе. Они думают о тебе. They're thinking about you. Yeah. So, они думают о тебе, вы думаете, и мы думаем. It means that here он, or они, вы, мы, they, we, and you, plural, will be with the verbs which be changed at the end to ем, ете, ют, and ут. So, ут, ют, ете, ем. Do you understand? I showed you these ends of the verb. Do you understand? If you have any question, ask me, please. So it means думают. I have here. So думают. Они думают. They're thinking. Они думают. Вы, you, as plural, as a group of people, or you as a president, let's say. Вы думаете. Вы думаете. Вы думаете. Вы думаете. Мы, we are thinking. Мы думаем. Мы думаем. Okay? So, you have to know that and here will be ют, ете, ем, and ут. But I didn't show here ut. You see ut here, this one. But you can't find ut here. Why? Because instead of ut, you can see ut in some words and some verbs. Do you understand? It means instead of ut will be ut. That's it. Like here, u instead of you. Okay, I want to show you next word. Let's divide like that. Играть, play, to play, играть. Играть, okay. Играть. Играть, it means to play. Играть, it's infinitive. But in our Russian language, we are changing all the time to be not boring to say the same thing. I think like that. So I'm joking. About me, if I'm talking, я играю. Do you remember? Last time it was the same. Я, it means I, играю. I play. Я играю. Я играю. Я играю. Okay? Ты, you, as a person, my friend, or my sister, or brother, someone who is the same level with me, it's not neighbor, president, or I don't know, whatever. Ты играешь. Играешь. So, ты играешь. You play. Maybe guitar, maybe something. So, you играешь, ты играешь, ты играешь. And you can see here, this, like, let's say it's small house for the endings. Maybe this small house, you can see my Russian friend, he is helping me. La 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 la. La 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 la. He's playing, and he said, "Я играю." It means I play. Я играю. Okay? Like hide and seek, maybe. He is playing with end of the word. So, ты играешь. You play. So, on, I can say about my Russian friend. He plays. So, он играет. She plays. She играет. Она играет. Оно играет. Оно играет. I don't know. Maybe I will speak about something like radio, maybe. In Russian you can say радио играет because it's оно. It plays, you know. So it is playing like radio. Let's say in Russian, оно играет. Радио играет. Радио играет, because it's оно, it's it. Radio, it's it. It means играет. Next one. Let's move from this house to another one. Maybe another friend here. Oh my God, I'm here also. I'm waiting you, Violetta, to play guitar. Okay? So, они, they play. Они играют. So, my two friends play. It means они играют. Они играют. Вы играете. If I say you guys playing. You guys are playing. So, вы играете. But if I go to them, to this home, maybe we will play together. And you can say, I can say, мы играем. We play. So, мы играем. And let's start from first. So, я играю, ты играешь, он играет, она играет, оно играет, они играют, вы играете, вы играете. Remember about you in Russian language. And мы играем. Мы играем. I play, you play. You know, it's like that. And try to again repeat. Я играю, ты играешь, он играет, она играет, оно играет, они играют, вы играете, мы играем. So, I think it just you need a time to memorize it, and when you can listen some music or watch some movies, I think it will help you. So, if you have any questions or suggestions, ask me. I am happy to help. So, see you.